Hey, what's up guys? If you guys can see by the name of this video, I am moving again for the 7th time in 4 years. So currently my apartment looks like this. Yeah, so just boxes everywhere. It's my last full day here. I move tomorrow after work and I'm really excited. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day, which means it's moving day, and it also means that the weather has to be garbage. So it's cold, it's been raining since this morning. I was sick all last night, not feeling too hot today, so we're off to a really good start. If anyone sees me in my new whip, mind your business. Do you hear it? It's like a sports car.
Did you shower today? No, I didn't shower today. I've been in the same clothes for the last 3 days. I just laid down here. I don't like that.
This is the entryway, living room, vaulted ceilings, moving some stuff in, kitchen, storage, bedroom, little loft space, and bathroom. I'm so obsessed. Okay, it's just after 11. My old apartment, so empty. The only thing we have to get is my little hedgehog and all of my clothes. But other than that, we are done. And I'm so excited. I hate this place. Hello world. So the last time I vlogged was Thursday. It's Tuesday now. It was a holiday weekend. We had plans, things to do. So we basically just slept on a mattress on the ground and didn't unpack anything. But we started unpacking more yesterday, which is good. My mom and my grandma came over and basically did it all for us. But yeah, now we just have to buy stuff and get more organized. I'm gonna show what it looks like right now, but it's still scary. And then I just got this new straightener, but I think I'm gonna regret this because it says it has vibrating plates and I didn't know that. And I don't want my hair to do that. But you know, it was 50% off originally, like $300. I was like, it must be good. I'm gonna break it before I even get it out of here. But yeah, I guess we'll see. I do have some errands to run today and I need to do stuff for the apartment as well. Apparently we're supposed to have air conditioning, which I thought we did, but then the thermostat is like so old I like didn't know what was going on. I was like, okay, haha, we must just not have it. But then like we definitely are. So I have to go put in a request for that. I need to do laundry. We have to get a badge for the parking. We have to get badges for the parking garage, and I called the guy and he didn't answer. So that's annoying. I'm supposed to do a walkthrough at my old apartment today. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go get a money order. I need to stop at my mom's to get some stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a day for sure. I'm so scared for this. I hope I like it though. Okay, I'll be honest. I think it's fine. The plates didn't feel like they were vibrating at all, so I don't know what that was about. Little dry shampoo, because I get greasy. Yeah. Time to start the day, I guess. Let's go. So I just went down to the leasing office to get our Wi-Fi package, and I asked about why we don't have air conditioning right now. And then they said that it's like a whole building issue, which sucks because it's 80 degrees in my apartment right now. So yeah, but I'm going to set this up. I just got back from grocery shopping and running some errands. So naturally I'm going to do a haul. And our air conditioning still isn't on, which sucks, but whatever. I went to Whole Foods. Oh, first I got this in the mail. It's just a hair mask, a DevaCurl one, matcha butter conditioning mask. I don't know why, but my hair reacts really well to DevaCurl products, so I'm excited for this. Contrary to other people, it doesn't make my hair fall out. I got these 2 fish-free tuna oil and herb packets. These are really good if you like mix it in with other things. I've never tried to eat it like by itself. I usually like mix it into things. Let's see. I got some pre-made pico. These coconut chunks. Let me see. They're refrigerated. I feel like these would be like delicious. I hope they're good. Okay. Yeah. Go buy it. And they're not really sweet. Oh my god. Coconut is so good. And then I got dairy-free parm. They're like shreds. It's really good. This is the Follow Your Heart one. And 2 just egg. I think I can live off of this, eat this like every day. I put the pico in it. I put cheese in it, some spinach in it. It's so fucking good. And like a heaping pile of hash browns and some sausage patties. That'll have me on 10 all day. That'll be the only meal I need. And those things were like 30 bucks. So, ooh. 2 of the things I got were on sale. Nice. Then I went to Kroger and got a lot of stuff. I didn't have my reusable grocery bags with me, so please don't come for my neck. I got some spinach, some baby broccoli that I'm gonna make tonight with lemon. It's really good. And then I got a bunch of yogurt, but there's only one in this container, so I don't know. I guess I lost all the other ones. Kroger's Simple Truth brand is amazing, and they make a lot of plant-based stuff. So I got their cream cheese. I've been using this for like a year now, and it's become one of my favorites. I got this Fiesta corn, but I wanted to try this in a bunch of different recipes too. Prepping little stuff like that is so tedious, and I just don't want to. Peas for the Alfredo I'm making for dinner. These from the ground up butternut squash crackers. They're certified vegan, parm flavor. Oh god. And then I also got them in cheddar. I just really miss Cheez-Its, you guys. I really do. And then I got 2 Italian fettuccine noodles, pastas. I got so much soup today, and I don't know what came over me, but I was like, you know what sounds good? Soup. So I guess I'll be eating soup for the next 2 weeks. But I got this tomato basil soup, and you know, tomato soup and grilled cheese can never go wrong with that. It's gonna be like 90 this weekend, but you know, tomato soup, grilled cheese, that'll be what I'm eating. Some crushed red pepper, magic eraser, I've never seen a dry soup mix, and this sounds really good, so I got it. It's a red lentil dry soup mix. It has garden vegetables, aromatic spices, smoky paprika, and lemon. So it's, you can see it. You just mix it with tomato sauce and vegetable stock or whatever stock you want to use. And then it's ready to go. And then I got this soup of the day, spicy black bean. I got some sliced green olives for pasta salad. I got some salt. I got some salt because we haven't had any salt for like 3 weeks. 3 lemons. The tomato sauce for that soup. I got 2 different cereals. Oh my god. The Kashi one. This is a protein one. It's really good. It's just like, it kind of hurts your mouth to eat unless you let it like sit for a while. And I'm gonna try this one. This is the brand of bread that I get, but I've never tried the cereal. So it's Ezekiel almond. So 6 grams of dietary fiber, 8 grams protein, 1 sugar, 200 calories per serving. Looks pretty good. Stay tuned. And then another bag with some soup. We got these to clean my hedgehog's wheel, tofu. So I got some vegetable stock. I'm pretty sure I have like 3 of them here, but I didn't want to like go to make the soup and then not have it because there's not like a grocery store I can just run to real quick over here. Honestly, besides Whole Foods, and that's still like so inconvenient. It's always so busy. Soup of the day. Coconut curry lentil. Vegan ranch, delicious. And this is that Simple Truth brand again. This one and the Organicville is like top tier. Another soup of the day. This one is lentil vegetable. I got some Silk Protein Unsweet organic soy milk. I got avocado oil cooking spray. Yeah, I was gonna order just like the little dispensers that you can put your own oil in, but we kind of have a collection of oils now, and I use them so much when I'm cooking and like honestly with like skincare and like everything else. So I'm just going to use that. I found a new plant-based Alfredo sauce, so I might try this one tonight. I'm really excited. I'm gonna check the expiration dates on the other ones that I have and see if it's like okay to use this one, but I'm excited. I got 2 things of bananas and more ranch. So I kind of didn't like buy any frozen like nuggets or anything, so I really didn't need this much ranch, and I don't really have that much stuff to make a salad. Okay, this is the last bag. The Beyond Breakfast sausage, the spicy one. This is seriously so delicious. I could eat this whole entire container. And there's 11 grams of protein in it. No soy, no gluten, no GMOs. I found the rest of my yogurt, guys. So this one is my absolute favorite. If I'm like in between meals during the day or as like a dessert or something, because it is kind of sweet. It's the So Delicious Dairy-Free Cocoa Almond Crunch. So it's basically like the Chobani Flip cups. And I haven't tried the Silk one, and it's literally the same thing. So got those. I got 2 things of hash browns. I get the Potatoes O'Brien because these ones have onions and peppers in them. And then I just add more spinach, and I'm probably going to add the Fiesta corn. Just any way to add more veggies to everything that I'm eating. That's what I like to do. So yeah. Okay, so here's all the yogurts I got. And then this is my favorite cheddar vegan like shredded cheese. It's the Simple Truth brand. It's amazing, and I've literally tried them all. So this one's the best. And then I also got these little containers to go under Tofu's wheel, because if you know about hedgehogs, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Now I have to put all this away. I have like 9 million fridge organizers. I'm gonna try and do that after I clean them. And I'll show you guys what the apartment looks like now and if I make any progress throughout the day. Finally set up my vanity, kinda. Bed's put together. Look at my little Appa. Well, actually, his name is Oogie from Korra. If you know, you know. Some of the stuff is in our closet. Some of it is not. Still have some boxes. Closet is more organized. Kitchen is doing good. This is all like organizers that I have to put in this storage closet, but also the fridge. But yeah, doing good so far. We still have to get new couches or a sectional. We don't really know what we're doing yet with that. More boxes, getting a new dining room table to go right here, but we don't really know which one we want yet, but we want like a high one. We have nothing for the entryway yet. And then like the entryway, coat closet, shoe situation. But yeah, I'm excited to document the process and everything that we changed because it's gonna look so different once we're done. So until next time.